In fields like innovation, entrepreneurship, startups, and boardrooms, you'll find Indians achieving extraordinary results everywhere. Take our space sector, for example. Previously, it was entirely government controlled. But just a couple of years ago, I opened it up to the private sector. And now we already have 200 startups working in space technology. Moreover, our missions like Chandrayaan are extremely cost effective. India's Chandrayaan mission cost less than what Hollywood spends making a single blockbuster film. So when the world sees how cost effective our work is, they naturally think, why not partner with India? This automatically generates respect for Indian talent globally. I believe this is a hallmark of our civilizational ethos.